Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for Firecracker business. Suppose I am having a Firecracker business for which I am running an ad campaign on my Facebook page, and now I want that whenever a lead will be generated through Facebook lead ads, automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent to that same lead informing about the festive offers. So how we are going to automate this entire process, for which we have to integrate both these applications, and for that we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software. Now what we are going to do, we have Facebook lead ads in our trigger, and in action I am going to take Vati in order to send WhatsApp template message. You can also take any other application through which you want to send template messages on WhatsApp, such as AI Sensei or Interact. And now we are going to connect both of them by using Pabbly Connect in order to automate this entire process. And to learn this entire process step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn that how can we automatically send WhatsApp messages to our Facebook leads for Firecracker business. Now let's suppose I have a company named as Galaxy Fireworks, which deals in retail and wholesale firecrackers. And now in this festive season, I want to send discount offers to my customers through WhatsApp messages, and that I want to be done automatically. Okay. So here I'm going to create an automation by integrating Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp, which will enable me that whenever a new lead will be generated for my Firecracker business through Facebook lead ads, automatically a WhatsApp message will be sent to that lead informing about the offers which we have for them in this festive season. So let's start learning this process step by step. In order to send WhatsApp template message, here I'm going to use Vati. Vati has the official API access of WhatsApp. So I'm going to create templates and send messages to my Facebook leads with the help of Vati. In the place of Vati, you can also take any other application through which you want to send template messages, such as Interact or AI Sensei. Now, in order to create this automation, we will have to integrate Facebook lead ads and Vati, and that I am going to do with an amazing automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach directly by typing pabbly.com/connect, this URL in our browser. Once we will reach on this homepage, we can find two options here: sign in and sign up for free. So if you are an existing user, you can directly click on sign in, but if you are a new user, you have to click on sign up for free button to create your free new account. And also when you will create your account, you will get 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software. Now, because I'm already an existing user, therefore I'm clicking on sign in. And this is the all app section of Pabbly, where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. Now to create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So on this dashboard, we can find all of our workflows which we have created. And we can also create multiple folders here in order to save our workflows. So as you can find, I have two folders here. In this test integration folder, I have saved a lot of workflows. In the same manner, you can create multiple folders and save your workflows accordingly in them. Now, in order to create a new workflow, we have to click on this create workflow option given on right corner with blue color. So let's click on it, and a dialog box will appear in front of us. So it is asking us to provide a name to our workflow. So first of all, let us provide a name here. Send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for Fireworks business. Okay, so this is the name which I want to give to my workflow. After giving the name, we can also select the folder from the drop down in which we want to save our workflows. So here I want to save this workflow in this test integrations folder. So I'm selecting it. After selecting the folder, let's click on create. And as we do that, we can find that two windows are open in front of us: trigger and action. Trigger and actions are the two main concepts on which the entire automation runs. The trigger says when this happens, and the action says do this. That means the action is a response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow and will initiate it. And the actions are going to follow the same command. Therefore, we can only have one trigger in any workflow, but we can have multiple actions as we want. Now, let's understand the concept of trigger and action once again with the example of this workflow. Let's say here we are going to take Facebook lead ads in our trigger and Vati in our action. And we want that as soon as a new lead will be generated for a Firecracker business from Google Lead Ads, automatically the response of that lead should be captured here in Pabbly Connect. And by using that, a WhatsApp message should be sent to that same lead through Vati. Okay, so here our action is the response towards our trigger. So after understanding the concept of trigger and action, let's start creating this workflow. And first of all, we will select the trigger application, which is Facebook lead ads. Okay. And after selecting the application, we also have to select the trigger event. Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to start. So we will select new lead instant as our trigger event, as we want that whenever a new lead will be generated in Facebook lead ads, automatically the response should be captured here in Pabbly Connect and the workflow should get trigger. So let's click on connect. And here I'm going to select add new connection to build a new connection with Facebook lead ads account. Let's select it, and now we have to click on connect with Facebook lead ads. And we can find that our authorization is successful very easily and our Facebook lead ads account is connected with Pabbly Connect. So the connection has become very easy because I was already logged into my Facebook account. So you also have to keep in mind always to keep logging to your applications before making up a connection with Pabbly Connect. Okay. Now after making the connection, here we have to move further and it is asking us for two details, page and lead gen form. So here we have to select the Facebook page and the lead gen form associated with that page. So in order to understand this, let me take you to my Facebook account. And after coming on the account, we can find that this is the page named as Galaxy Fireworks, which I have created for my Firecracker business. Okay. And in order to promote this business, I have also created a lead gen form. And I want that whenever a person is going to fill that form, automatically the response of that lead should be captured in Pabbly Connect. Okay. For that, we will have to select this page and the lead gen form which we have created in Pabbly Connect. So let's do that. Here we will select the page as Galaxy Fireworks. And now we will select the lead gen form. So here my form is Galaxy Fireworks. I want that whenever a lead will be generated by filling up this form, then only the response should be captured here in Pabbly Connect, otherwise not. Okay. So I have selected the form and now after selecting both the details, let's click on Save and Send Test Request. So as we have clicked on Save and Send Test Request, it is showing waiting for webhook response. That means now we have to do a test submission by filling up the form so that the response of that lead could be captured here in Pabbly Connect. Now, how we are going to do this test submission? For that, let me take you towards Meta for Developers. And after coming here, we have to go towards My Apps. When we have clicked on My Apps, here we can find the option of Tools. Let's select that and it has taken us towards Developer Tools. Under Other Developer Tools, we will find the option of Lead Ads RTO Debug Tool. Let's open it. And it has taken us towards the Lead Ads Testing Tool. So with the help of this tool, basically we are going to test our integration. How we are going to do that? By selecting the page and form here, and then we will fill the form in order to test our integration. So this lead ad testing tool is going to help us in order to test our integration and submit the response in Pabbly Connect. Okay. So because I'm not running a live campaign on my Facebook lead ads account, therefore I'm doing a test submission here in order to capture the response. But when you will create this automation after running a live campaign on Facebook account for your business, definitely once this automation will set up, whenever a new lead will be generated by filling up your form in Facebook lead ads, automatically the response of that lead will be captured in Pabbly Connect. Okay. Now here first of all, let us select the page. Our page is Galaxy Fireworks. And automatically the form associated with this page is selected over here. So we have to click on preview form in order to submit it. But before that, it is given that if you want to create a new lead, you have to first delete the existing lead by clicking on this delete lead button. Okay, so let's click on this delete lead button. And once we have deleted the existing lead, we have to refresh this page. So after refreshing, let's again select our Facebook page. And now we will click on preview form. So this is very important step. Once we have deleted the existing lead, we have to refresh this page and then again we have to select our Facebook page and form so that a new form could be opened in front of us for generating a new test lead. Okay, now let's preview this form. And we can find that the form is open in front of us. This is contact form for Galaxy Fireworks. And this is the description of the form. This festive season brings endless celebration. This is a contact. This will help us to connect with you and to understand your needs as well. Fill it and our team member will soon contact with you for your bookings. Okay, so this is the description of the form. Now what we are going to do, I am going to enter the details here in order to submit it. So because I am doing a test submission, I am going to enter dummy details. Let's start with the email. Let's say testuser408@pabblytudes.com. Just a random email. Now a full name. So I'm going to enter the full name, let's say as test user. And now a dummy phone number. Done. Click on next. And we will submit this form. So here our form is submitted. Now let's go back on Pabbly Connect and we will check whether the response of this form is captured there or not. And yes, we can find that automatically the response is captured here as soon as we have submitted the form. So here we have received all the details of the lead, email, full name and the phone number. So now by using this detail, we are going to send a WhatsApp template message to the same lead. Okay. So now when we have received a response, let's move further and we will move towards our next action step. And our action step is to send WhatsApp template message to the Facebook leads. Okay. Now in order to send WhatsApp template message, as I have told you that I am going to use Wati. So I'm going to connect Wati here with Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let's select the action application as Wati and now we will select the action event. In the action event, we will select send template message. Click on connect And here we have to select add new connection to build a new connection with Vati account. As we have clicked on add new connection, we have to enter two details over here, API endpoint and access token. Now from where we are going to find both the details. For that, the instructions are provided to us here. Okay, so what we are supposed to do, we just have to go towards our Vati account and then we have to click on API docs. Once we will click on API docs, we will find both the details. So let me take you to my Vati account and we will go towards API docs. And here are both the details. So first of all, let us copy the API endpoint and we will paste it here in this field. And now the next, it is asking us for the access token. So we will copy the access token also and we will paste it here in this field. Done. In the same manner, you have to find both the details and you have to paste them here in these fields. Click on save. And our Vati account is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. Now after building the connection, we will move further and here we have to enter the details in these fields so that a WhatsApp message could be sent to our Facebook leads. Okay, first of all, it's asking us for the WhatsApp number. On which number we have to send the WhatsApp message, here we have to enter that. Okay, so our motive is to send WhatsApp message to our Facebook leads and we have received the details of our Facebook leads in our earlier response. So we are going to use the same details here in order to map the data. Okay, so mapping is inserting the data from our previous step. We just have to select our previous step like this and we will find all the details. Okay, so here we have to map the phone number. We will select the phone number and it will be mapped. So because we have mapped this WhatsApp number, every time a new lead will be generated in Facebook lead ads and the response will be captured in Pabbly Connect, automatically the number in this field is going to be replaced with a new number of a new person. But if we will enter it manually, then it will become static and it is not going to change with each and every response. Therefore, in order to automate the entire process, we will have to use mapping in our workflows. Okay, so our motive behind creating this workflow is that once we will set this automation, every time whenever a new lead will be generated from Facebook lead ads, automatically without any manual effort, the message should be sent. But if we will enter the number and other details manually, then this automation is not possible. So let's move further and here the next it is asking us for the template name. Here we have to enter the name of the template through which we want to send the WhatsApp messages. Okay, so in order to understand this, let me take you to my Vati account and here we will move towards template section. After coming on template section, here we can find that I have multiple templates which I have created for different purposes. And in order to send WhatsApp template message to my Facebook leads for Firecracker business, I have created this template named as Diwali offers. Let me open it and show you. So the name of the template is Diwali offers. The category I have selected as marketing and I have selected English language for the template. Okay, you can even select any other language in order to send messages. Okay, the next is broadcast title. So here I have selected the type of the broadcast title as text and in the title I have given the name of my company, Galaxy Fireworks. So in the preview of the message you can find that whatever we have selected as our broadcast title is being shown in bold in the header of our message. Okay, so whatever you will select in your broadcast title will be shown in bold in your header. But instead of this text, if you want to attach any image along with this message, you can also select the broadcast title type as image and then you can use the image here. Okay, so we will move further towards the body of the message. This is the body of my message. Hello name, this Diwali brings endless celebrations with Galaxy Firecrackers. Enjoy 50% off on all your purchases plus extra 20% off on your first order. Apply coupon code Galaxy20 for more exciting offers on retail and wholesale bookings. You can connect with us at galaxy20@test.com. Just a random email. Okay, thank you team Galaxy Fireworks. So this is the message which I want to send to my Facebook leads. Okay, so here in this message I have also used a variable, and wherever in the message we use variables, the details of that place get changed. So here let's say I have used variable for name. So every time this message will be sent to different Facebook leads, the name will be customized according to that person. Okay, so in this manner, by adding the variables to our messages, we can customize the templates and send customized message to each and every Facebook lead. Okay, so I have used a basic message for my template, but when you will create your own template for sending messages, you can definitely create it in more customized and creative format. Okay, if you want, you can also attach a footer line along with the message by using this option, and even you can add a call to action button to this message. Okay, now after creating the template and adding variables to the message, you also have to provide the sample content for the variables you have used. So sample content is the value for the variables which you want to use in place of variables in your message. So here, because I have used only one variable for name, I have given a dummy name over here as my sample content. Okay, So sample content is not required to be exact. You can also provide dummy details, okay? Now, once you will complete creating this template, you also have to send it for approval. And once it will get approved, you can definitely use it in order to send WhatsApp template messages, okay? Okay, so as my template Diwali offers is approved, so I am going to use it in order to send template messages to my Facebook leads. Now, what we are going to do, we will simply go back on Pabbly Connect, and here we have to select the template name. So we can find that template name is already selected as Diwali offers. I want to use the same template, therefore I am keeping it same. The next is broadcast name. Now here in this field we have to enter the broadcast title which we have used in our template. So let me open the template once again, and here my broadcast title is Galaxy Fireworks. I am going to enter the same here, okay? So the broadcast name must be exact what we have used in the template. At last, it is asking us for the custom parameters. So this is very important and crucial step of this workflow. A single mistake in this field can make the workflow stuck. Okay, so we have to provide the values for our variables which we have used in the template here in this field, and that must be in this exact format. Okay, so without taking any risk, I'm just going to copy this format and I will paste it here in this field. Now I'm going to make the necessary changes. So what we are supposed to do, we have to give the values for the variables in name and value pair. So in front of name, we have to enter the name of the variable which we have kept, and in front of value, we have to provide the value for the variable which we want to use. So I have only used one variable in my template, and that is for name. So in place of name of the variable, I'm going to enter name only, and now in place of value, I am going to map the name from my previous response. So this is the name. Okay, done. So because we have mapped this name, automatically with each and every response, it is going to change, but whatever we have entered manually, that is this format, will remain same. So we have entered the custom parameters in correct format, and it is given that if you want to enter the value for more than one variable, then you have to use a comma and a space. So what you are going to do in order to reduce the chances of errors, you will simply copy the format, paste it over here, and then you will make the necessary changes. In case you want to enter more than one value, then what you are going to do after completing one custom parameters, you will use a comma, space, and then again copy the same format, paste it over here, and then make the necessary changes. Okay, done. So after entering all the necessary details correctly, we will simply click on save and send test request. And here we can find that we have received the response, and in the response we have also received the ID of the message. That means a WhatsApp message is sent on the number which we have mapped. So let's go and check on WhatsApp whether a message is received there or not. And here we can find that yes, a message is received on the number which we have mapped. And here is the same message which we have used in the template. From Galaxy Fireworks, hello test user, this Diwali brings endless celebrations with Galaxy Firecrackers. Enjoy 50% off on all your purchases. For more exciting offers, connect with us. Thank you, Team Galaxy Fireworks. Okay, so this is the same message which we have used in our template. So because we have received this message, our workflow is perfectly successful. So let's go back on Pabbly Connect and we will summarize what we have done in this workflow. So we have taken two simple steps here, trigger and action. In trigger, we have taken Facebook lead ads, and in action, we have taken Vati. And we have connected both of them by using Pabbly Connect in such a way that now whenever a new lead will be generated for our Firecracker business from Facebook lead ads, automatically a WhatsApp template message will be sent to that lead by using Vati. Here I have used Vati in order to send template messages. You can definitely use any other application if you want, okay? So in the same manner, by following the same steps, you can create this automation very easily, and this is going to enable you to automatically connect with your Facebook leads for your Firecracker business in this festive seasons and send them messages related to exciting offers which you want to provide to them. Okay, so this was it in this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can easily integrate many other applications by using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can easily email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can easily reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you are having any pricing related issue with Pabbly Connect, you can easily reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful in any way, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our videos and subscribe to our channel to learn more such automation.